In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Sniper Elite 5 on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this great game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to your Google browser and search for Steam, because we need to locate the game first before we can proceed with any other steps. So go to Steam, and what we will do, we will go to the search bar and search for Sniper Elite 5. As you can see, this game is €49.99 on Steam. That is quite expensive. But we got a workaround for that. So what you need to do is click on the link in the description. Then you will be redirected to this website, and here we search again for Sniper Elite 5. Then select games on the left side. After that, sort by lowest price first, and then scroll a little bit down till you see the first Sniper Elite 5 for the PC. So once you have found that, as you can see, we have one over here. This is a Steam account key. So what you need to do is look if it's marked green, so it can be activated in your country. And once you found one, then you will select it. And after that, scroll a little bit down, and now you can purchase this game for less than half the price of the Steam price. What it basically does, if you buy this game, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to download this game on Steam, but much cheaper. And that is how you save a lot of money by downloading games. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!